Hello, welcome to DeepDownBooks. Take a deep breath and find a quiet place. We are glad you are here with us today. Let us relax and practice your English together. I want to talk to you about a very important feeling. That feeling is confidence. Many people think that confidence is a gift. They think some people are born with it and some people are not. But that is not true. Confidence is like a garden. You must plant the seeds. You must water the plants every day. You must be patient. Today, we will learn how to speak better and feel stronger in English. To sound smart, you do not need big words. You do not need to speak very fast. In fact, speaking slowly is the secret of many great leaders. When you speak slowly, you show the world that your words are important. You show that you are not in a hurry. You show that you are calm. Imagine you are standing in a room. There are many people around you. You want to say something. Your heart starts to beat a little faster. This is normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. The first step to talking better is to breathe. Breathe deep into your stomach. Feel the air fill your body. When you breathe, your voice becomes stronger. A strong voice sounds like a smart voice. Do not speak from your throat. Speak from your chest. Feel the vibration of the words. Let us think about the words we choose. Many learners use the word very too much. They say it is very good or I am very tired. To sound smarter, we can use better adjectives. Instead of very good, you can say it is excellent. Instead of very tired, you can say I am exhausted. Instead of very big, you can say, it is enormous. These words are simple, but they have more power. They make your English sound rich and interesting. But do not worry about using them all at once. Start with one new word every day. That is how we grow. Another secret to sounding smart is the pause. A pause is a small moment of silence. Many people are afraid of silence. They think they must fill every second with a sound. They say or ah or like. These are called filler words. They make you sound nervous. Try this instead. When you finish a sentence, just stop. Count to 1 in your head. Then start the next sentence. This pause gives the listener time to understand you. It makes you look like a person who thinks before they speak. Thinking before you speak is a very smart habit. Now, let us talk about your body. Your body speaks even when you are silent. To feel confident, stand tall. Imagine there is a string pulling the top of your head toward the sky. Keep your shoulders down and relaxed. Do not hide your hands. Use your hands to show what you mean. If you are talking about something big, move your hands apart. If you are talking about something small, move them together. This helps people understand you better. It makes you look like a natural speaker. When you look at someone, look at their eyes. You do not have to look at them all the time. That can feel strange. But look at them when you start a sentence. Look at them when you finish a sentence. This shows that you are brave. It shows that you respect the other person. People like to talk to people who look at them. It creates a connection. What about your accent? Many people worry about their accent. They think they must sound like a person from London or New York. But an accent is not a mistake. An accent is a sign that you know more than one language. It is a sign of your history. Do not try to hide it. Instead, focus on being clear. Make sure you say the ends of the words clearly. Say the T at the end of cat. Say the D at the end of red. If you are clear, your accent does not matter. People will enjoy listening to you because you are easy to understand. Confidence also comes from listening. Smart people are great listeners. When someone else is talking, give them your full attention. Do not think about what you will say next. Just listen. Nod your head to show you understand. Say small things like, I see, or that is interesting. When it is your turn to speak, you will know exactly what to say because you listened well. Let us practice a daily routine for confidence. Every morning when you wake up, go to the mirror. Look at yourself and smile. A smile changes how you feel. It sends a message to your brain that everything is okay. Say one positive thing to yourself in English. You can say, "Today I will speak clearly." Or you can say, "I am getting better every day." These small words are very powerful. They change your mindset. They help you start the day with a win. When you are at work or school, try to speak at least one time. It does not have to be a long speech. It can be a simple question. You can ask, "What do you think about this?" Asking questions is a great way to sound smart. It shows that you are curious. It shows that you value other people's ideas. People love to talk about their opinions. When you ask a question, you take the pressure off yourself. You become the leader of the conversation. If you make a mistake, do not stop. Do not say sorry. Just keep going. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. They forget words. They say things wrong. But they do not worry about it. If you act like the mistake is not important, the other person will not notice it. Keep your head up. Keep your voice steady. Your confidence is more important than being perfect. Think about your favorite English speaker. Maybe it is an actor or a teacher. Why do you like the way they talk? Is it their speed? Is it their tone? Try to copy them. This is called modeling. It is one of the fastest ways to learn. Listen to one sentence they say, then say it exactly like they did. Listen to the music of their voice. English has a rhythm. It goes up and down, like a song. When you find the rhythm, you will sound much more natural. Take a moment now to relax your shoulders. Shake your arms a little bit. We hold a lot of stress in our bodies. Stress makes our voice sound high and thin. When we are relaxed, our voice is deep and warm. A deep voice sounds more confident. It sounds more stable. Take a deep breath. Let it out with a long sigh. Feel the tension leave your neck. Feel the tension leave your jaw. You are doing a great job. Let us imagine a successful conversation. You are talking to a new person. You feel calm. You speak slowly. You use the pause. You use strong adjectives. You look them in the eyes. You listen to their answers. At the end of the conversation, you feel proud. You did it. You used your English to connect with another human being. This is the goal of language. It is not about tests. It is not about grades. It is about connection. Every time you practice, you are building a bridge. On one side of the bridge is the person you are today. On the other side is the confident speaker you want to be. Each word you say is a brick in that bridge. Some days the work is easy. Some days the work is hard. But every day you are closer to the other side. Do not give up. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a big task. It is a brave task. I want you to remember that your value as a person does not depend on your English level. You are already smart. You are already interesting. English is just a tool to show that to the world. When you realize this, the pressure goes away. You can play with the language. You can enjoy the sounds. You can have fun with the words. Let us talk about preparation. If you know you have to speak tomorrow, prepare a little bit today. Think about the topics you might discuss. Think about the words you might need. Do not write a script and memorize it. That will make you sound like a robot. Instead, think of 3 main ideas. Keep those ideas in your head. If you have the ideas, the words will follow. It is like having a map for a journey. You know where you are going, but you can choose the path. When you finish a conversation, do not think about what you did wrong. Think about what you did right. Did you say one clear sentence? That is a win. Did you understand a joke? That is a win. Did you ask a good question? That is a win. Collect these wins like gold coins. Soon you will have a bag full of gold. You will look back and see how far you have come. I believe in you. I know that you can be a confident speaker. I know that you have the power to change how you talk. It starts with this moment. It starts with this breath. It starts with this practice. You are not alone on this journey. We are here with you. Millions of people are learning with you. We are all trying to better ourselves. We are all trying to find our voice. Now take one more deep breath. Feel the strength in your body. Feel the peace in your mind. You are ready for the day. You are ready to talk. You are ready to be heard. Carry this feeling with you. When you step outside, keep your head high. Speak slowly. Use your pauses. Be proud of your accent. Be proud of your effort. You are a successful English speaker. The day is full of opportunities. Each person you meet is a chance to practice. Each situation is a chance to grow. Do not be afraid of the world. The world is waiting to listen to you. You have a unique story. You have a unique perspective. Share it. Even if it is not perfect, it is yours, and that makes it valuable. As the sun rises higher, let your confidence rise too. Let it shine like the light. Let it warm your heart. You are doing something wonderful. You are learning. You are growing. You are becoming the best version of yourself. And that is the smartest thing anyone can do. I want to remind you to take breaks. Your brain needs rest to learn. If you feel tired, stop for a while. Drink some water. Look at the trees. Then come back when you feel fresh. Learning is not a race. It is a long, beautiful walk. Enjoy the walk. Enjoy the sights. Enjoy the sounds of the language. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for working on yourself. It is an honor to practice with you. I hope you feel a little stronger now. I hope you feel a little more confident. Remember these lessons. Use them today. Use them tomorrow. And soon they will become a part of who you are. I will be here for you again. We will have more quiet mornings. We will have more tea. We will have more conversations. Until then, stay calm. Stay brave. Keep speaking. Your voice matters. Your journey matters. You are doing a wonderful job. Thank you for listening and practicing today. You did a wonderful job. If this felt helpful, you can subscribe and practice with us every day. We hope you have a peaceful day. Goodbye for now.